my people, it is very good for you as a father to be a prayerful person. Every prayerful father give birth to prayerful first son. Why? Every father that respected his own father, you also have your son who will respect you. It is very easy for a mother to have good relationship with the children. Why? There are some spiritual connection between mothers and their children. And that connection is from the placenta. It's a spiritual connection. Before you give birth to your child as a mother, before disconnecting that child, cutting off the child, make sure as you are cutting off this child from me, tie this child with you. Rededicate your child in the name of God the Father, Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Make sure you dedicate your child with your chi. Why am I saying this? As a father, speak to your child when your child is in the womb. Speak to your child when your child is outside the womb. Talk to your God concerning your children. Why? God answers prayers of fathers. As a father, you are the head of that family. And when anything happens to the head, that thing is completely destroyed. When things can happen to the body, before it gets to the head, the problem will be solved. As a father, you are important. You are a God. And because you are a God, decree every day when you are alone. Pick up your children's name one by one. Pray for them. Say something about them. I'm talking to fathers. As a mother, sit down in the night. Any mother that cannot wake up in the midnight to pray for her own child is not capable of being a mother. Any father that cannot lie down like this on the bed and talk to God concerning his children, you are not the father of you are not the head of your family. Someone else will take over. Don't allow the devil to take over your home. Don't allow the demons to take over your home. This is the reason why you see that very hard-working fathers today, a lot of them, their children are useless. Some are doing business. Their children cannot do that same business. Some, you see them, they are working in high places. Their children will just be driving motor up and down, lavishing their money. This is because prayer that's supposed to have made concerning this child has not been made. Have you prayed for your children as a father? If you have not, today I urge you to start. Start the prayer for your first son. Because first son, there is always a foundation in every family. And the father needs to know this foundation. You pray concerning your first son, that the first son will not die off. The first son will not be deleted. The first son will not have problem that will make that first son not to be first son. Papa, you need this prayer. Pray for your child. The second son will behave like the second son. Father need to pray for peace in his home. When there is no peace in the home, it is the father that suffers more. Because most time, you see that those home, their papa go die before everyone. You want to live a life, please pray for your children as parents. Come together with your husband, with your wife, your spouse, and make a decree concerning these children so that they will stop yahoo, so that they will stop armed robbing, so that they will stop kidnapping. All these things are not there. Since fathers and big parents refuse to pray for their children, this is the reason why we see most things happening in our life. Pray today and you'll be saved.